Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, we are going to quickly understand how do we get a password generated clearly through Python. That too, a very strong password. We most of the times would find it very difficult to get a password which is very safe and very unique. Python now solves that mystery and you can create your own password which is going to be very strong. You got to import string and import random, that is very important, and then I am going to get the ASCII letters, the digits, and then some specific characters here. You can put any character here, whatever you know and whatever you have in the keyboard, that all will come in here, and I am going to culminate or mix all these three together, string.ascii underscore letters, string.digits, and these characters, and I am using list for it, and characters is nothing but a list of these three. So once it is done, I write a method called as generate underscore strong underscore password, and in that I can specify the length of the password. If I want say 15 character password, I will specify that as the length, and then I am calling the method shuffle, random.shuffle with the characters. This will be shuffled and this improves much more randomness and much more uniqueness. And then password is equal to, I am using that, I am going to pick random characters from the list. So password equal to open bracket, close bracket, and I have got a for loop here. Now what will happen? I am going to pick up random characters. I am going to keep appending the random characters. I will pick it up and I will append one after another. And then finally I will convert it as a string and then I will print it as a password for your reference. Can we see if it is working fine? It should work fine. Let's give 7. Can we try one more time? I'm going to do that, and we could see that right now with 9. You got it. So this is a password which could be stronger than what you think in your mind, and you can use this for you to generate some really strong passwords. If you like the content of the channel, kindly subscribe and give thumbs up. Thank you guys.